Hi, welcome back, my friend. And if you're new here, welcome to Faith Divine TV. This is episode 10 of Stories of Faith Restored. So today's episode is about how I wanted revenge, but God taught me to forgive. See, I have something to admit. I've struggled with forgiving people and wanted revenge. Now let me begin by just setting the stage. I used to replay the moment over and over in my mind. The words they said, the knife they twisted, the trust they shattered. Forgiveness was the last thing I wanted. What I wanted was revenge. It wasn't just the betrayal, it was who betrayed me. Someone I called family, someone I prayed with, someone I never imagined would hurt me. They lied about me, gossiped, turned others against me, and when I tried to make peace, they doubled down. The pain settled deep in my chest. I smiled in public, but inside I was raging. I started fantasizing about how to make them pay. Maybe not with actions, but in my heart, I was building a case. A prison where I held them. And myself. I didn't realize how much it was changing me. Little by little, bitterness became my lens. I couldn't worship the same, couldn't love others the same. Even my prayers felt hollow. I would read scriptures like, love your enemies, and skip right past them, till one day, I was reading the words of Jesus in Matthew 6. One verse stopped me cold. But if you do not forgive others their sins, your Father will not forgive your sins. It's Matthew 6:15. I remember staring at that verse. 4 minutes. Something inside me broke. I had received so much grace, yet here I was, holding a grudge like I was God. Like I could justify my anger while expecting mercy from Him. I didn't forgive them right away. Honestly, I wrestled with God, told Him what they did was wrong. They don't deserve forgiveness. And gently, I felt Him whisper back, neither did you. That crushed me in the best way. I remembered all the times I failed Him, all the ways He loved me anyway, the grace that covered my mess, the mercy that called me home. I realized forgiveness wasn't about them deserving it. It was about me being free. I made a decision, not an emotional one, a spiritual one. I chose to forgive. I said it out loud. God, I release them. I won't hold this anymore. I forgive. I didn't feel lighter immediately, but over time, something shifted. Peace started replacing the pain. Compassion started growing where anger used to live. Forgiveness didn't erase the memory, but it redeemed it. God began to use my story to help others who were hurting too. I never got an apology. I never made it right. But I no longer needed them to, because God had made me right. My heart was free. My hands were clean, out, and my soul was no longer chained to bitterness. Forgiveness became my weapon, not to destroy others, but to destroy hate, to break the cycle, to walk in freedom. If you're holding on to something, I get it, it's not easy, but freedom doesn't come through revenge, it comes through grace. Forgiveness doesn't say, it didn't hurt. It says, God's healing is stronger than the hurt. Let go. Not for them, but for you, for your peace, for your healing, for your freedom. If this video encouraged you, share your story in the comments. You never know who it will encourage. If you haven't done so already, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. So until next time, stay rooted, stay real, and keep walking with Jesus. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel.